Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So Pepe is struggling to break above here from this channel, but I have a feeling that Pepe is going to break above the channel. Something tells me, inner guts is telling me, market condition is actually telling me, because altcoins are pretty good right now. I don't know if this is a mini alt season or something going on, but altcoins are doing quite well. Bitcoin is sideways, and since Bitcoin is sideways, all the coins are just sideways at the moment. Sorry, not sideways, but the altcoins are pumping along with the sideways behavior of Bitcoin, except Pepe. Pepe, well, it did actually pump it from 889 and then went all the way up for 43% move. That's actually pretty big. Now, the thing is, if you of course don't pass this and fail to pass it, then if the channel continues, it actually is going to drop down there, right? If you don't break above, of course. Now, there is a probable squeeze that is going to happen here for Pepe, and I think it is something like this. So you're moving up and up and up and up and up, and then you have Tuesday 20th. So until tomorrow, we may see something happening. And for me personally, I kind of think we may see a pop-up like this. Now, if you do move to 1310 and then retest down to 1211, I think this may offer you a very great opportunity to enter. And when that happens, we may see a push of Pepe from there, which is 1218, and then you have the technical target back to 1692, and that may actually be 38% move to the upside. So that's all for this update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.